Where is Carplay? Okay, it's happened again. If you have a Jeep, sometimes the Carplay function of your iPhone or your Android Play suddenly seems to quit working. This happened to me 3 times now. Excuse me while I get a little caffeine. I've looked on forums, I've searched the internet high and low, I've looked at YouTube videos. Really frustrating. And the other day I was playing around, I even unhooked my battery, and when I did that my whole radio went wacko for about 24 hours, and then I guess it finally re-uploaded some software and it was back to normal. Anyway, I was messing around with it the other day and I actually found the answer to this is for what's happening to me. So I thought I'd make a stupid YouTube video and put it out there in case anybody else out there is having the same problem. And it turns out to be something really simple, and why the uConnect keeps forgetting the phone. It's not about Bluetooth, it's not about the phone. So let me just show you really quick what I did on the video, and we can and maybe it'll help you. So switch to my iPhone to do the video now. So if this is happening to you, what you need to do is go into apps and go into projection manager. Make sure smartphone device mirroring is turned on there. Then you actually got to go to your phone and tell it to enable CarPlay. And as soon as you do that, the next time you plug your phone in, it should work. Okay, unplug the phone. And CarPlay. So if you're having trouble getting CarPlay to work and you tried everything else, at least double check that. I've had it on 2 occasions now turn itself off. I'm not quite sure what causes it, but it's pretty easy to fix if that's your problem, so give that a try. Well, hope that helps. Thanks.